Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth keep disconnecting. Recently it seems that Bluetooth issues including the Bluetooth not working have been besetting iPhone users, and worse, now a new problem happens too. This is the iPhone Bluetooth keep disconnecting. This problem usually happens when users connect their iPhones to Bluetooth earphones and make calls with friends. It is really annoying as it's always pause the music automatically since the Bluetooth disconnected. If you are now encountering the same problem, so in this video is for you, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force to start your iPhone. The first easy fix to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting on your iPhone is to force reboot the device. To force restart the iPhone 12, 13 and 14 or other iOS models. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is toggle Bluetooth off and on. Since some updates may damage the link between iPhone and Bluetooth, please refresh your iPhone's Bluetooth connection by toggling the function first off and then on. It is a simple yet feasible way to fix iPhone Bluetooth keeps disconnecting. For this, open the iPhone settings and choose Bluetooth to achieve that, and then tap on its toggle button to disable this feature, and after some time tap on it again to enable it, and you are done. And the next step is turn airplane mode on and off. To turn iPhone's airplane mode on and off is also advisable to refresh the device. For this, open the control center by swiping down from the top right side of your screen and then tap on the airplane icon to enable this feature. Wait for some time and then tap on it again to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is re-add Bluetooth. The Bluetooth keeps disconnecting iPhone may be due to the improper pairing. You could repair it with your device to fix it. For this, go to settings and then choose Bluetooth and then tap on the eye icon next to your device and then tap on forget this device. Tap on forget device again to confirm, and after that pair up Bluetooth with your iPhone model again and you are done. And the next step is clear iPhone Bluetooth files. For this, go to settings and choose Bluetooth option and then delete all the devices and you are done. And the next step is check for update. If your iPhone is running on an older version, the Bluetooth issue like disconnecting may occur. The software on your iPhone should be updated to the latest version. You can navigate to the settings, choose general option, choose software update and wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. There is a last method left to resolve this issue. Reset all settings on your iPhone. In fact, this is so bring your device to a factory settings and obviously the previous data is of course cleared. For this, go to settings. Next, go to general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Choose reset and choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone Bluetooth keep disconnecting, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.